Hey, I remember the exact moment I stopped tolerating good enough. Shadow 3.0. This is for the person who's been patient, who squeezed extra life out of old rigs, who knows deep down that stutter during intense moments isn't normal, it's a limitation you've outgrown. Before anything else, check the current price and stock. Systems like this can move fast, and hesitation only gives regret space to grow. You know that sinking feeling when you loaded into a big session and your old PC whispered one more minute? That slight pause before the world catches up? That wasn't your game, that was compromise. And you deserved better. That's the exact moment you knew it was time for something that actually keeps pace with your instinct, not your patience. From the first boot, Shadow 3.0 doesn't just wake up, it springs to life. You feel it in the smooth transitions, in the confident spin of the RGB fins that don't scream for attention, in the way Windows actually responds immediately instead of negotiating with you. It's like trading up from a cramped alleyway to a clear open road. Once you feel that kind of responsive performance under your hands, there's no going back to waiting. Imagine loading into your favorite battle royale and watching your surroundings populate without that half-second lag you've grown used to. Imagine editing clips for socials without having to juggle apps just to stay under memory limits. Streaming, gaming, homework apps, music in the background, it all coexists without one thing begging for mercy. That's real use, not just specs on a paper. And look, if you're hesitating, thinking maybe a tiny bump here or a slightly newer card there might be better, every time you compare, you come back to what you know works, what actually feels fluid. That's loss aversion talking. You've felt the pain of weak gear. You don't want it again. One surprise benefit you don't expect until you live with it? That reassuring quiet during heavy loads. This isn't a machine that roars, it's confident. Performance that feels calm is performance you trust. That's the difference between a PC that serves you and one that simply tries. You stop second-guessing, you stop closing apps to save performance, you play without hidden delays, you multitask like it's nothing, you feel in control. Not held back, the storage isn't tiny, the power isn't overstated. At some point, all the spec comparisons fade. You already know what works for you because you've lived with hesitation long enough. You don't need another chart or another theory. You know the feeling of true smoothness, and that's the feeling you want again. So if you've been waiting for the moment that confirms you really are ready for better, this is it. Check that price, check that stock, and step into hardware that actually keeps up with how fast you think and play. Shadow 3.0 is ready, and, honestly, so are you.